Last but not the least, before I finish this advanced trading course for you, the best pairs to trade, as I'm showing you here, is only GBP USD, Euro JPY, Euro USD, and USD JPY. Of course, for commodities, gold and crude oil is not bad, and US 30, even Nasdaq is not bad. But if you're talk only on the forex trading volume allocation, as you can see here, the GBP USD is having almost 13% of market cap. Then we have Euro JPY, Euro USD having 34% of market cap, USD JPY capturing 12% of market cap, and along with that, the Euro JPY consisting 3% of market cap. Now, these are all the major currencies that are moved among the banks, among the forex industry, whenever the banks are open. So these four are actually more than enough for us to do our advanced intraday trading on the daily basis. I won't advise you. I mean, you know what? You should judge and learn which, do some back testing, analyze the patterns that I have taught you, and check out yourself which chart is actually suiting, which chart actually suits your pattern which I have taught. GBP USD, Euro JPY, Euro USD, and USD JPY. These four were the best for these patterns, and plenty of intraday opportunities I was getting among them. That's why I would advise you go for these best pairs to trade on. Well, you can have your own as well, but this is my advice.